Hi everybody, this is your news. Fit na bonny morning it is. Fit's everybody doing today, let me ken. So fit my about our news is putting together training data for an auto-translate. So fit named folk today is to help out with putting together all this training data. So we've got a Scots preference app and it HUD's track of all the words that everybody puts into it. So if ever mark on a seller after Scots auto-translate, fit in the future can it be important. And it's important kind of that folk newer the ains that are putting it all together. And it's Scots that we all agree is something to be happy reading out to your friends and family, and again they wouldn't think it sounds weird. But that's what we're after. And it'll mark a sentence that puts that word to ease, and you can pick fit version you think seems better, and you can change the words in it. And really, you need to do that. It's not often that it's worth picking. So if you didn't want to change any of the words, what you can do is you can skip the sentence, or you can say that neither of them are any good. And that's good training data now. Just for the model again, this isn't good, Doric, it's not good Scots. She cannot now. But you can see again, there's a wee bit of difference between the two of them there. But you'd hate to mark changes to the scene. I would not accept that as it is. And if you're actually getting a lot of words, what you can do is give an article a read up. So we've got hundreds of articles on your news, and what you can do is help correct the Scots in them. So let me know if you're interested in doing this. And the other thing, if you didn't see my other posts, I didn't do a video about this yet, but this person on YouTube, man, do they not care about how in other parts in Scotland? What would you think if somebody was in kind of centre of Amsterdam and nobody can only Dutch? That's how I feel when I go to Edinburgh and nobody can only Scots.